Here's how to make money with InVideo and start generating anywhere between $100 and $200 a day doing so. Let's get right into it. Hey guys, welcome to my channel where I post content about affiliate marketing but also about the other ways of making money online. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button because I post content every single day. In today's video guys, we're going to talk about InVideo. InVideo is an online video creation and editing tool that is usually popular amongst digital creators out there. A lot of times you will come across those videos like YouTube videos or Facebook ads videos, Instagram videos, video intros that looks like super professional, and you might not even know that they were actually created by a tool similar to InVideo or InVideo itself. InVideo is usually popular because it allows you to create videos without having to start from scratch. InVideo provides you with a ton of different video templates that you can use, and background music, copyright-free background music, so many resources that allows you to create high quality videos out there, such as like intro and logo videos, video ads. You can create like slideshows, business presentations, webinars, video collages, video testimonials, code videos. So there's so many different types of videos and types of digital content that you can create thanks to InVideo, which is why it's such a hugely popular video creation tool out there. And because it is such a hugely popular editing tool, obviously there's going to be huge demand around this product, and when there is huge demand about such a product, obviously there is always going to be some money making opportunities around it, and this is what we're going to talk about in this video. There are a ton of different ways that you can make money with InVideo, and obviously I will not be able to cover all of it in here, but I will definitely make more videos later to talk about that. What I want to talk about today in this video is affiliate marketing. If you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's basically when you promote other people's product and you earn a commission every time you make a sale for that person's product. And InVideo has actually a very attractive affiliate marketing program that I wanted to talk about. If we check InVideo's pricing, you will see that they have three different plans. They have a free plan, a business plan, and an unlimited plan. The free business plan is obviously a good one because you can choose to sign up for it and try the program and see how it is. But if you look at their paid plans, which is the business plan and the unlimited plan, it starts at $30 a month, and you get a ton of different things in here, like everything from the free plan obviously, but you also get like 1 million plus premium media. You get like 60 video exports per month, so you can create like up to 60 videos a month. You got a ton of different things in here. And if we look at their affiliate program, you will see that they pay anywhere between 25% all the way to 50% per sale. So they do have two different kinds of affiliate program here. So if somebody signs up for the yearly plan, they will pay a lot less, and you will earn about 25% per sale. If they sign up for the yearly plan, they will pay say $180 one time per year, and you would earn like 25% of that. On the other hand, if they sign up for the monthly plan, which is most probably the case for most people signing up for InVideo for the first time, you will earn 50% of that, which is $15 per month per customer, which is a really good way of really building recurring income, because I've talked about this in some of my previous videos, where when doing affiliate marketing, promoting recurring products with recurring commission is one of the best ways to create passive income. And this is a great way of building passive income. If you can get like 2, 3, 4, 5 customers a day, you can really grow and start making like $50 a day or $100 a day, and that income would keep coming in every single month as long as those customers remain part of InVideo. So as you can see, the earning potential can be very interesting with InVideo. If somebody signs up for the $30 a month program, you would earn $15 per customer per month. If they sign up for the $60 per month, you would earn $30 per customer per month. And if you can get like 3 or 4 customers a day, you can imagine how much that will stack up. Okay, so how do you go about promoting InVideo and start making passive income and recurring commissions from that particular product? So first thing you need to do is you need to sign up for InVideo. Okay, if you're going to promote this product, you need to first sign up for it, get a feel of how the product is, play around a little bit, try to create a couple of videos. There's so many things that you can do inside of this software, and as you can see, they do have a free plan that you can sign up for. But once you've done that, you want to play around, learn how to do some of the things that you can do inside of the software, and learn how to become fairly good at using this online tool. So once you've done that, let's say you spend like a few days or a few weeks learning how to use InVideo. Now, how you can go and promote this product is, what I would recommend you to do is to go on YouTube and start creating videos on YouTube. YouTube is huge. The type of traffic that you get on YouTube is, in my opinion, one of the best, if not the best traffic out there. It's search engine traffic. And what you can do is you can create videos showing people how to use InVideo, showing people the things that you've learned inside of InVideo. Don't worry, you don't have to show your face. I know this is a big hurdle for a lot of people out there. So you can just screen record your computer and show people how to do certain things inside of InVideo. You could create InVideo reviews, InVideo against other editing tool out there. All types of videos you can create around InVideo. You can just post content consistently on YouTube. So let's say every day you post 1 or 2 pieces of content promoting InVideo and talking about InVideo. Eventually the views will start stacking up and you will start getting a lot of affiliate sales promoting InVideo through YouTube. Just to prove to you the real potential that exists with promoting InVideo inside of YouTube, especially if we go inside of my vidIQ Chrome extension and I go to the keyword inspector and I type in, let's say, InVideo, you will see that every month there are about, I think, is it over 158,000 people searching about InVideo every month, and the competition for this keyword is, as you can see, is very low. So there's not a lot of people creating content around InVideo. There's not a lot of people actively creating content around this particular online tool. And there are over 150,000 people every month typing in InVideo. And they're also typing in things like InVideo tutorial. 73,000 people every month searches for InVideo tutorial, and it's very low competition. InVideo reviews, 14,000, almost 15,000. So there's so many videos that you can create around this tool, so many different keywords that you can target. And if you take this really seriously and you post content consistently, you can, as I've said, generate a ton of views and eventually a ton of sales doing this. Now, I'm gonna be honest with you, this is not some BS quick way to make money online. You will have to take this seriously. You will have to post consistently and be patient. This is not gonna make you a millionaire in 1 week or whatever, but if you take this seriously, as I've said, and you do post consistently every single day, maybe 1 video a day, eventually you will get to the point where you will start making like $15 a day per customer, and then $30 a day, and then $45 a day, $100 a day, $200 a day. So it's really up to you how serious you want to take this. You have to treat this as an actual business, and you will eventually see the rewards that you are hoping to see. One bonus tip I want to share with you is, as you use the software more and more and more, and you become better and better over time, you could, for example, sell video creation services on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, and you can make money creating videos for certain people. You could also create a course where you show people how to use InVideo and how to become very good at using InVideo. Obviously, this is not going to happen at first. At first, you should just focus on creating short videos on YouTube, but eventually, once your skills become even better and better, you could easily increase your income by doing those other things I just mentioned in here. So there you go, guys. I hope you've liked this video. If you have, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe as well, as I post content every single day. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.